Most people know Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress, but there are website builders that take a completely different approach and are surprisingly good. Doric is one of them. You can start with a blank page, choose a template, or describe the website you want, and let its AI generate a starting point. Then you can edit the entire site visually without touching code. It also includes things like forms, CMS, custom domains, and code export, so it's not just for throwing together a quick mock-up. You can actually use it to build and launch a complete website. And if you're building websites for clients, Doric also has white label features and tools for managing multiple sites. TypeDream takes a completely different approach. If you've used Notion before, the editor feels pretty familiar. You can build landing pages and simple websites by arranging content visually, and it also lets you sell digital products directly from the site. The useful thing about TypeDream is that it keeps things relatively simple. You're not dropped into a giant dashboard full of hundreds of settings. You can build a landing page, connect a custom domain, add forms, and handle things like SEO and analytics from the same place. WebStudio is more interesting if you want much more control over the design. It's an open-source visual website builder where you can control things like CSS properties and responsive layouts without actually writing the CSS yourself. You can connect it to different CMS and external services, use its hosting, or export the site and host it yourself. So you get the visual interface of a website builder, but you're not completely tied to one hosting environment. Software is a little different from all of these. Instead of focusing mainly on traditional websites, it's designed for turning data into websites and web apps. You can describe what you want, and its AI builder can generate the starting point. Then you can connect data from places like Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, HubSpot, or databases. That makes it possible to build things like client portals, directories, dashboards, membership sites, and internal tools without writing the application from scratch. And then there's Framer. You may have seen it used for modern landing pages, but it's actually much more than a design tool. You can design the entire site visually, add animations and interactions, create responsive layouts, use a built-in CMS, and publish directly from Framer. The interesting part is how closely the design and the finished website are connected. What you're designing is very close to what actually gets published, instead of designing something in one application and then rebuilding it somewhere else. Then there's Card. Card is almost the opposite of something like WordPress. It's designed specifically for simple, one-page websites. You can build a landing page, portfolio, personal profile, link page, or small business site without dealing with plugins, themes, or a complicated setup. And because it's so focused, you can go from a blank page to a finished site surprisingly quickly.